Hello friends, I welcome you very much in my YouTube channel Tech Triplets. Today we are starting a topic ferrocement, which is a structural element of cement used in construction works. Now let's start this. Definition of ferrocement. This definition is given by ACI Committee. Full form of ACI is American Concrete Institute. According to ACI Committee, definition of ferrocement is a thin wall reinforced concrete. Ferrocement is a thin wall reinforced concrete which is constructed by cement mortar reinforced with closely spaced layer of continuous and relatively small size wire mesh. This is constructed by small size wire mesh and cement mortar. This word ferrocement is used first time by Pierre Luigi in 1943 in his paper as a new structural element which is extremely thin plate of concrete made by a small diameter wire mesh and cement mortar with some part of sand used as binders. In this material ferrocement, steel to cement ratio is very high. Ferrocement looks like concrete, but it has many properties of steel also. Steel cement ratio in ferrocement is always high, which is superior to either steel or cement partially separately. Material used in ferrocement. Three type of material is used in ferrocement. First is cement mortar, second reinforcement. As reinforcement, skeleton steel is also used and wire mesh also used as reinforcement in ferrocement. Cement mortar. OPC is used as OPC and fine aggregate matrix is used in, and the particle size should be not more than 2.36 and not less than 1.18. Why it should not more than 2.36? Because more than 2.36 size can make mortar porous, and less than 1.18 mm size particle requires more water to impermeable structure. In ferrocement, sand occupies 60 to 75% volume of mortar. Skeleton steel. Skeleton steel is used to give a proper shape of structure and geometry. And the spacing in steel rods are 70 to 100 mm, and diameter of steel rods may vary from 3 to 8 mm. In case of higher stress may occur, the mild steel bar are used in ferrocement. Wire mesh, which is another material. Wire mesh are spaced 66 to 20 mm center to center, and the diameter of wires in wire mesh remains 0.5 to 1.5 mm diameter. Wire mesh shape can be belted wire mesh, square woven wire mesh, hexagonal, or mesh expanded metal, etc. Yield strength should not more than 415 and 500 megapascal for deformed wire, and it should not more than 415 for fabric. The steel content or steel density in ferrocement should be between 300 kg to 500 kg per cubic meter of mortar. These are types of biomass. This is hexagonal type of biomass and this is Bhuvan biomass. These are hexagonal. This is and these are hexagonal. This is known as Bhuvan biomass. Technique of manufacturing. There are 4 techniques of manufacturing ferrocement. First is hand plastering. Second is semi-mechanized by centrifuging and gunneting. These 4 techniques are used for manufacturing ferrocement. Let's know about the detail of these techniques. Hand plastering method. In this method, the minimum thickness of the section can be 2 cm. This method cannot be used for less than 2 cm thickness. The strength obtained by this system will be lower compared to other all methods. In this method, unit can be casted, which can be used where for other improved method does not exist. These units which is casted in this process can be used for fire storage structure and gas holder units. Next is semi-mechanized process. This system is known as semi-mechanized process because mold in this process can be rotated with machines. Machines are used to rotate the molds. Uniformity of this system is also better than earlier system, which is hand plastering method. Low skilled people can handle this process, and better compaction can be obtained by this process. Next is semi-centrifuging method. This method is adapted for fabrication of concrete cylindrical unit. It is adapted where cylindrical units are fabricated. This method gives good compaction, and these units which is constructed by good compaction can be used in fire. Centrifuging can be used as pressure pipes. These units which is constructed by this method is used in mainly pressure pipes. Next method is gunneting. Gunneting is the process which is applied with experienced gunmen. Unskilled or low skilled person cannot be applied this method. It gives good compaction and uniform surface. This is adapted for applying the mortar to biomass system. This appears suitable process or mass production of ferrocement prefabricated units. This is a suitable process for mass production of prefabricated units. If you want to watch live construction of ferrocement, then click on icon shown in top right corner. It will take you on video. Properties of ferrocement. First is the property is high tensile strength and stiffness. Main use of ferrocement is for high tensile strength and stiffness. It also has better impact and punching shear resistance. Undergo large deformation before cracking. Means sudden failure is not occurs in this ferrocement. Low weight, low water cement ratio, and very durable, cheap and versatile material. Ferrocement is durable, cheap or versatile material. What is the advantage of ferrocement? The main advantage of ferrocement is resistance to cracking width. After cracking, width of cracking does not increase. High ductility and impact resistance is very good, and toughness is also very good of ferrocement. It also has good fire resistance, good impermeability, and low strength to weight ratio. And also have low water to cement ratio. And maintenance cost of ferrocement is also very low. What are the disadvantages of ferrocement? It is hard to do welding. Welding cannot be done easily. Binding mesh and rod alone can be time consuming. Levers are required in high number. Excessive shrinkage due to higher cement content. Water cement ratio is low when higher cement content is used. And constant curing is needed for ferrocement and to avoid any shrinkage cracks. What are the applications of ferrocement? It can be used for domestic overhead tanks. These tanks will be cheaper than any other type of material tanks. Ferrocement tank can be used in village for gas holding tanks. This material ferrocement is used for boat also in US, UK, New Zealand. Use of ferrocement is manhole covers. It is also used in manhole covers. For prefabricated units of and pressure pipes, ferrocement is also used. Benches for garden, park, open cinema, theatre. In these construction, ferrocement is also used and important. Thank you so much to watch this video, and like and subscribe. If you like this video, then like and subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. Thank you so much.